Fortune herself has called the weather in our favor. Enough fathoms promised deep beneath our keel. The sky has shared its blue with every wave and harbor. Two shades of blue where sea and heaven meet and seal. Ain't the wild, intoxicating ocean open wide, like the mountains in their madness, rage and grace. The gray manned crest of waves is pure as snow on peaks ride high, and the valleys carved between them fall like endless space. To serve the elements, you can't afford to rush. The meridian runs straight to either pole. Blessed are the everlasting mountain crests. Blessed is the great ocean, deep and whole. Great Chance himself's our brother, Fortune is our sister dear. Though just to be safe, we keep a watchful eye on shore. They wished us luck before we disappeared, and all the constellations light our sky. We're all lookouts here. We all began from zero, and if misfortune strikes a fellow soul, we change our course, we sail toward the SOS like heroes, like climbers dropping everything to answer someone's call. To serve the elements, you can't afford to rush. The meridian runs straight to either pole. Blessed are the everlasting mountain crests. Blessed is the great ocean, deep and whole. We'll count our losses when the storm has finally passed us. Not silver-haired, but bleached white by the Sultan spray. One single giant tear the ocean sheds to wash us will cleanse our weathered faces of the fray. The summits reach, our mastheads pierce the open heaven. From sky to earth we touch the ground for just a breath. The voyage barely done, we raise our sails again by evening, and once again we start the long ascent. To serve the elements, you can't afford to rush. The meridian runs straight to either pole. Blessed are the everlasting mountain crests. Blessed is the great ocean, deep and whole.